Um, this is actually a very good time to do your planning for your tiny gardens and spaces to grow food, herbs, and flowers in your tiny spaces. So check out the Garden Planning and Design Workshop or the guidebook at Delectable Tiny Gardens, the meeting place for people looking for food resiliency in tiny spaces. Or if you don't want to join us there, it's also available at Manitou Okas programs. And hey, I would love to have you come and join us, or yeah, give me a shout out and we'll see if I can give you some guidance in planning your space. So hey, like, subscribe, and hey, take a look at how I put together my plants for uh, extra plants that I need going forward for my spaces. Well, when I recorded these clips to put together for this video, I forgot to turn on the sound. So I am going to voice over and hey, let's get started. So let's drill the holes for this jug that I'm putting together for um, the ginger and turmeric planting. So I'm going to I put four holes in there, and we're going to set it aside and grab the knife. So we've got put the jug on the side here, and I'm going to cut this jug open right around the level of the handle. Okay, all the way around the jug. So that it opens up, so that I can open that up. There we go. Very, very careful with the paring knife. This is a very sharp paring knife and does the job just fine. So you open that up. See, it's got a hinge there. And I'm going to do 4 jugs to prep for the ginger and the turmeric. And I've got another planting that I'm going to do as well. So, hey, stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to plant the ginger in there and get it ready for transplanting later. Together for this video. Now that I've got the jug ready and a little bit of soil in it, I'm going to grab some turmeric that I've already got cut and ready for the to plant in this jug. So right now I've got 2 pieces with buds, and I'm getting them, they're ready to plant and ready to go. So each one is about 2 inches and got several buds available to grow. So let's open up the jug, and we're going to push the turmeric into the soil, each piece of turmeric into the soil to get it good and stable in the soil itself. So here I've got a previous piece of turmeric that I planted in January, and if you take a look at it, it's already got roots growing. So let's pull it out of the pot. Yep, it's got a root growing, so that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm a little bit surprised, but it's getting started. So we're going to place that turmeric into the jug with the other pieces of turmeric. Okay, just get that good, just arrange them really nicely. And now we're going to take the old soil from the container that was in, and we're going to just cover the turmeric, about 1 or 2 inches of soil. Okay, and then we're just going to keep it moist. So let's close that back up and set that aside. Okay, now let's get the next jug out and ready. And this one I'm going to label as ginger. So now that with that labeled, now let's see, we're going to put a little bit of potting soil in that jug. Okay, about 2 inches of potting soil in this jug as well. So there we go. Now I have a few beautiful pieces of ginger, and if you take a close look at that, you see the white spots. They're just beginning to grow. So we're going to press those into the damp soil. And then the second piece and a third piece. And we're going to cover that with about 1 inch of soil. That looks good. Okay. All right, now we're going to set this aside, and I'm going to do one more jug of ginger. Again, this is about 2 inches of soil in the jug. And let's arrange these ginger pieces with the growing beds up, if possible. And again, I am going to cover these with about 1 inch of soil. Well, I hope you enjoyed that look at what resiliency looks like here in my kitchen and behind the scenes. So that's just one of the things that I do to build resiliency in my life. So if you're interested in more of this kind of content, subscribe, like, and come and join us at Delectable Tiny Gardens, the meeting place for people looking to build resiliency in tiny spaces. So come for a 7-day free trial and check out the PDF by the numbers and some of the other resiliency tools that I have there, and get a support in your path towards resiliency in your life. So thank you for joining me, and hey, I look forward to talking to you later.